Hello, so here's interesting YEPP app. So let's just do a quick overview. It's kind of a meme maker app where yeah, you can actually earn money from making or watching memes. So that's what they claim here. So yeah, you can just swipe through the feed. I don't know like yet. Okay, wait. So here you just have like your content. You can see all your likes, you can see your feed, you can see all your own memes. Yeah, for some reason I just can't. So yeah, you just swipe right to scroll. It's not like on TikTok, but yeah, it's basically like TikTok for memes. You can yeah, you can like some memes. You can build in the meme and you can reuse this meme picture and build the meme yourself, and then just change text or delete something. And this app is really good like for changing captions on the memes. So yeah, it's this is actually yeah, how it works. And then you can just like it. And then, for example, I want to edit it. I can just build the meme myself. And then I can just, for example, go here and just write something. So something like that. And then, yeah, you can just do a meme preview and then just post it. And then when someone likes your meme or you have a lot of views for your meme, in theory, you can earn these coins. So you can see this, this is your wallet. I don't know if it's a cryptocurrency or not, but that's what it is. At the moment, there are just like a lot of ads in this app. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So here we can just write it. So first you can just earn $2 for every referral. How to earn your first YEPP coins. Invite your friends using your unique invite link. Post your invite link to your other social media profiles. Earn daily rewards. Earn 0.1 daily just by watching memes and using the app. Create memes. Earn $1 for every 10,000 views. And then you can just withdraw 100 YEPP coins at 1 USDT, which holds the same value as US dollar. Create your C20 wallet. Withdraw your money. So yeah, you can just encourage your audience, and yeah, there you have it. So that's just like a quick overview, and then you just see some transactions, and then yeah, if you can go to settings in top right, and then here you can just see invite friends. So here in the bottom you can see my link, YEPP1link.me, like WYEZ4RPASUSI, and then you can just use this link yeah, to invite friends. So that's basically how it works. Yeah, so that's the idea. You can use that. You can see then account statistics. You can see how many people watch that. You can see info. You can see settings. Appeal support. So that's basically the app. I think it was trending for a while, but I don't know if it really took off or if it's real, if people made some real money with it or not. So there you have it. Hope this is helpful. And yeah, thank you for watching.